Hello everyone. Today I am at Vipassana Meditation Center in United Arab Emirates near to Dubai. It's a place called Ras Al Khaimah, around 1.5 hour drive from Dubai. And this is the Vipassana Meditation Center, as you can see. And I just completed my 10-day course, and today is in fact the 10th day, so course is still not completed. We'll be completing it tomorrow morning, and then I will be traveling back home. So this has been one of the wonderful experiences to be here in the course and get benefited. And Vipassana is basically for those people who want to improve in their life. Basically, you hear a lot of people talking about law of attraction, positive mental attitude, and all that, but those things don't really work for everybody, because everybody has got their own problems. They try hard to be positive, but there are deep seated negative habits and attitudes which don't let them become free, and that is the reason they are not able to progress on this path of positivity. But this is one practice which goes very deep, and which is able to change the real deep seated habit patterns of negativity, of fear, of greed, of hatred, all those deep seated negative attributes which are hidden, often even lethargy, laziness, which are not easy to change. But this was my fifth course, and I do find that with every course there is some improvement. Even the most rigid ones also will find some kind of improvement if they are able to follow all the rules and regulations, and all the things that are taught here. If they follow it very sincerely, they will definitely progress on this path of self improvement, I would say. Eradicating their deep seated negativities, and they will do well in their life. But it takes sincerity, it takes effort, it takes dedicated focus, and it takes practice. So this was my best course so far, and I hope to continue the practice, and I hope all of you will also benefit from this course. Have a nice day. Be happy.